Do you love to draw architecture? Do you enjoy urban sketching? But maybe sometimes you're not quite sure how to start your sketch or drawing and how to set it up for success. Choosing the right view, setting up perspective, the right scale, figuring out the composition, making sure it nicely fits on your canvas. Well, it doesn't have to be this hard. What if you could follow a fun, simple step-by-step process so you never get stuck or feel overwhelmed again? I invite you to a drawing journey where we'll draw together 10 famous, iconic buildings from all around the world. We'll take it from scratch, we'll take it slow, step by step, and I'll walk you through every part of the process. From what pens, pencils, and markers I use, how to work with a reference image, how to set up your drawing for success from underlying structure, composition, perspective, correct scale and proportions, shading and texturing, and all that through a simple process that's not only easy to follow, but that will also help you build your drawing confidence. In a series of pre-recorded videos, which you can watch and follow in your own time and at your own pace, you'll be drawing along with me and you'll overcome any fears from drawing from scratch, not knowing where to start, or feeling overwhelmed. By the end of this course, not only that you'll create 10 illustrations of famous buildings that you'll be proud of, but also you'll learn how to draw complex and organic forms in perspective. How to complement your sketches with entourage, like people and trees. How to work with multiple vanishing points in perspective with ease. How to achieve better sense of depth in your illustrations, and much more. On top of that, you'll be also guided and encouraged to develop and use your own unique style of illustration and further color your line work with color markers, watercolors, or post-process it digitally. Hi, my name is Drazil and I'm an architect who loves to sketch. In 2017, I founded Sketch Like an Architect, a project dedicated to reviving the values of drawing by hand. And over the years, I published 3 books on architectural sketching. And in this course, we'll draw together 10 famous buildings based on my 3rd book, 100 Buildings and Architectural Forms. And while the book is great at showing you the key steps of the drawing process, this course fills in all the gaps by showing you the full drawing process in real time, where I also comment on nuances and small decisions that I make on the way. This proven process and teachings that I share in this course have been tested by hundreds of students, and they got great results. And I'm sure that you can too. Join me and let's draw these famous and iconic pieces of architecture together. I'll see you in the course.